Morning all of you. Today we will discuss our new topic about fact about air. In this topic we will learn about the different activities about air we can do. Now suppose air is present all around us, we all know that. Now in this activity you can see that air is present in a empty bottle also. How? First in a vessel we have put water and we have put a blank water bottle, and you can see the experiment, the bubbles coming from the water. This shows that air present in it. Now we cannot see air. It's a correct word that we can't see air, but it is present all around us, and an empty bottle is not really empty. It has air inside it. So if we push an empty bottle into a bucket full of water, then you will see bubbles coming out of the water. This shows that bubbles of air that were inside the bottle. And this experiment is a very easy experiment. You can do this experiment in your home. Now a balloon filled with air, you can see in the diagram, the first one balloon is very thick because there is no air present in it, and the next one, the balloon is in a large shape by air filled inside it. Now air can fill things. By the balloon example you can see that many things can be filled with the air. When you blow into a balloon, you are filling it with air. This is also a very simple experiment. You can also do in your home by buying a balloon and filling air in it. Now air can change the shape of the things. How? We will do and discuss by the example. When we fill air into something, it can change the shape of that thing. If you will fill air in a flat ball, then it becomes round. Yes, if you will fill air in a football, then it will become round. Now suppose you see that if we fill air into a balloon, it changes its shape too. How? We have seen in the example that a person is filling air and slowly it contain shape. This shows that air have space. Now air has weight also. How? Because air also has weight. We can easily check this. Take a deflect football. Weight is using a whirling machine and not the weight. How? Now fill air into the ball and weight it again. You can see that the air filled ball is heavier. You can do this experiment in your home also. If you have a football, then measure without the air. After that, when you fill air again measure it, it will shows that air has weight. And in the first experiment you have seen that in a balloon you will fill up the air, then you can see the shape of a balloon changes, means the shape of air changes. In this experiment we have learned many things about the air, and we have come to know about the different experiment, and we can do this experiment in our home very easily. The first one, the air is present in an empty bottle. The second one, a balloon filled with air. The third one, air can change the shape of a balloon. And the last one, air has weight. These are the different experiments we have discussed in our topic. Now I hope you will do this experiment in your home, and you will learn about the different facts of air. Then do this experiment and feel how you have observed this experiment.